The Knesset lit. Gathering or assembly is the unicameral national legislature of Israel. As the legislative branch of the Israeli government, the Knesset passes all laws, elects the president and prime minister, approves the cabinet, and supervises the work of the government. In addition, the Knesset elects the state controller. It also has the power to waive the immunity of its members, remove the president and the state controller from office, dissolve the government in a constructive vote of no confidence, and to dissolve itself and call new elections. The prime minister may also dissolve the Knesset. However, until an election is completed, the Knesset maintains authority in its current composition. The Knesset is located in Givat Ram, Western Jerusalem. The Knesset was elected on 2 March 2020. On 23 December 2020, the Knesset officially dissolved after a failure to come to a budget agreement and will not be restored until a new election is held. The term Knesset is derived from the ancient Knesset Hagdolah or Great Assembly, which according to Jewish tradition was an assembly of 120 scribes, sages, and prophets in the period from the end of the biblical prophets to the time of the development of Rabbinic Judaism, about 2 centuries ending c. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.